to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is for one of the bonus boxes. This is the Hydration Essentials one. So I will just get into what all's in here. So, it's got a little carded thing that says what's in it, as well as a little note on the back of which we will read. Moisture is your friend. Yes, it is, especially this part of the year. The fastest way to make a noticeable difference in your skin and hair is with a big burst of moisture, and the easiest way to do that is with this limited edition Hydration Essentials box. The moisturizing products here are a tall drink of water for radiant skin and nourished hair, and they work even harder if you layer them. For best results, apply Biossance Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum and Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream under Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Oil. Then tap a little extra oil onto your cheekbones for a beautiful dewy finish. Double down on your glow factor with a swipe of Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly and Fire, and keep the moisture going with a few spritzes of the Mario Badescu facial spray throughout the day. Soothe your hands with the Josie Moran Argan Milk Smoothing Hand Treatment, and before you hop into bed, treat your hair to the Allure Best of Beauty Award-winning Sisley Regenerating Hair Care Mask. Enjoy your limited edition Hydration Essentials box. So, I pretty much told you what all's in it, but we're going to show them off anyway. So here's that Josie Moran Argan Milk Smoothing Hand Treatment. So that's a pretty decent size for like a hand cream, and very basic instructions. Apply liberally to hands as often as desired. As if we didn't know how to use hand cream. So we have that, which is all bougie AF. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which honestly, when I first opened the box, deadass thought this was yet another of the Elemis cleansing balms, because it's like that same exact type of packaging. But it's not. It's finally something different, so finally something else to try from them. It looks like there's so much more in it than there actually is. It's like expectation, reality. Expectation, reality. I know. For a sample, how much can you really expect here? I know. Whoop, didn't need to knock that guy down. But that shouldn't be there anyway, that's perfume. Anyway, so we've also got the Biossance Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum, which I'm going to have to research because I still don't know if that sounds safe, having copper in it. Like, you sure I'm not going to get, like, heavy metal toxicity from that? I'm a little bit iffy about it having the copper in it, but I mean, it is an itty-bitty little thing. Like, how long would that even realistically last, am I right? So, how much would I realistically absorb? Who knows? But I do want to read up on that, and if you have any info about the safety, please let me know, because I am very gun-shy with this one, admittedly. So, over there with serums and things. We have the Hair Ritual by Sisley Paris Regenerating Hair Care Mask. I started reading the French one first, which is not a very big one, but then again, just to get a feel for a hair mask, it's probably at least one use in here, maybe two. I mean, the length of my hair takes quite a bit to cover all of it, so this may be a single-use thing for me, but that's okay. So we have that. The Shine On Tower 28 Lip Jelly and Fire, which I think I might be the most excited about this, not gonna lie. Look at that fun color. Look at that. That's such a summery fun color. And since it's orange, can also totally follow into the fall, so I mean, good color to have on hand to be like starting now and continuing to use. And then I want to say I have at least one other of this, but it may be smaller than this. But this is the Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Oil with Maki and Acai Prickly Pear Goji. I think that's a bunch of different things that they labeled as if they were like one thing. Ooh, okay. So like, I guess that is glass. I was like, is it glass or is it frosted plastic? Like, it doesn't have the typical frosted glass feel where it's almost like chalkboardy that I can't stand. Like, that's why I thought for a second, is that plastic? But no, that is glass. But okay. But yeah, very decent size. So, we've got that. And then the last one, the facial oil. Ah, god damn it. Okay, it's the facial spray with aloe, adaptogens, and coconut water. Womp womp. I'm gonna have to ask Kimmy if maybe she'd like it, because I can't with the coconut water. Sadly. If it were any of their face oils, I'd be really excited about that. But, dang it. This allergy needs to go away already. Like, for me, it seems like they last about 10-ish years on average before they go away. I think we're about halfway into the run. I'm hoping maybe it'll be on the shorter side this time around than the longer side. Who the hell knows? But with my food allergies, that tends to be how they go. But this is the first one that's ever included, like, inhaled as well. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm just stuck with this one or if I'll outgrow it like the others, but I have noticed more and more exceptions where I seem to be okay, so I think it's going in the right direction anyway, so one day I'll eventually be able to do coconut again. I have to believe that anyway. But yeah, so that's what was in this box. Bunch of goodies. Excited to use all except for the one, and possibly the copper one if it's not safe, I don't know. But anyways, so that's that. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.